Yeah, I'll take some water. So what are we doing right now then?
We're gonna follow this thing. Hopefully it'll run. And hopefully it don't get stopped.
Yep. Now this will be an adventure. See if we can get this home about 10 miles. This car was restored, believe it or not, probably 15 years ago. Then unfortunately it sat outside. I wasn't around to monitor things up in Central California area. So what did once look like perfectly good new paint and new upholstery sat out and got sun beaten. We've had some work done on assembly by, you can see there, Larry Daisy from the Riviera Ranch, a Riviera expert. This is a black plate California car. And it was very, very solid and clean to start with. Original color here. That was all re-chromed, but it's all shot now. So basically I'm going to try to clean it up as best I can and look to sell it to someone who wants to finish this project. A lot of valuable parts and so forth are with the car. Let's see if I can make it home. All right, give it a try. Starts well. It's been driven around the lot here. But that's about it. So no gauges really to speak of. Just gonna have to guess. So that's park, it's reverse, should be neutral, and then we should be in drive. All right, power steering works nicely. Yeah, the brakes work. No accelerator pedal. Alright, believe it or not, the speedometer actually works. Engine seems to run quite well. Quiet. More later. Alright, let's see. Let's find out if the brakes work. Yeah, they do work. Power brakes. You know, it's actually riding quite well, all things considered. Definitely feel how this would have been extremely smooth riding. I guess you could call it a luxury car when new, and still is. Engine is running very quiet. So far so good. All right. Quite an adventure trying to get this thing home, but so far it's working. Driving from Long Beach, we're going probably, I don't know, 15 miles. See if we make it.